The issue with this machine right here is it's not picking thread under. Like when I try to pick the thread from the shuttle, it just got stuck like this. The thread is not going up and it's not picking the one from the shuttle. So first of all, I'll take off the shuttle so I can be able to remove the thread. Then I'll take off the plate so that you can be able to see what is making the thread to stuck under there. Now you have to turn the machine over, just turn it over so that you can be able to get a clear view. Now you can see that there is a thread there. That thread that is packed there is not supposed to gather there, so it's blocking the thread from going out from the bobbin. So you first of all take off this hook. Now this knot I'm losing is call it the hook because it's hook the engine from all the part of the engine from rotating. The hook has just gone out. Now look at the thread that is gathered there. This is the thread that is blocking the thread from going under. Yes, as you can see it was there, right there. So it couldn't allow the thread to come up because that thread now is not supposed to gather there. This thread is not supposed to be there. That's why the machine couldn't pick the thread under. So now we'll go ahead to fix that hook back to the engine. So let's fix it back and see what's gonna happen then. So we'll be carefully putting that knot so it can hold that thing. So just use gently and tight it. Yes, it's running freely now. It's very free now. It's running very well. Very importantly, you need to make sure that this place now that is curved at the engine now is going to fit in together with that hook. It's very important you do that. So I'll be fixing the plate now so I can check if it has worked. Yes, as you can see, it has successfully picked the thread from under the thread from the bobbin. So now let's go ahead to sew. Yeah, it's showing very fine and good. So in case your machine ever had this kind of problem where the machine refuses to pick the thread under, it's somehow hooking. So just do exactly what I did now and you see that it will work. I hope this was helpful.